Wow, you have one sub with that much power. How did you burp on it? Did you meter it yet?
50.4.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What is this wired to?
2 ohm.
2 ohm?
2 of them now.
Okay, so you got another one behind. Oh, I see it. So a 2 ohm strap? So 1 ohm per amp. Alright. Oh, man, your door's heavy. Wow, you have one sub with that much power. How did you burp on it? Did you meter it yet?
50.4.
Okay. Are you happy with it yet?
It's pretty much. It does what it needs to do.
Yes, sir. What sub is this?
The DS18 Team NEO Troublemaker.
Oh, okay, the Troublemaker. I've seen one of those before, yeah. And it's a... all right. Nice. What's your name, man?
I'm Skills, man.
Okay, Skills. All right. You got speakers everywhere. What was your goal? Just to be as loud as you can with one sub, or?
Goal was 151, 152, but
okay.
Ideally as loud as possible out of the trunk.
Okay. I see you did some fab work to make it fit in there too.
Yeah.
Because you don't normally fit an 18 in that.
Not at all.
You made it work though.
It takes some sheet metal cutting to get
oh yeah.
there.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Skills System. This was at the TDH Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Really powerful single 18-inch subwoofer, a lot of power at hand. I went and Googled to see how the image of the sub looked. That's actually how the NEO magnet looks of this powerful sub. Two of these 7500 watt amplifiers in the back. You could tell he really optimized his space to fit as big of a box as possible and getting two amplifiers actually installed behind the box. Really tight space, strapped at 2 ohm down to 1 ohm per amplifier. It's really impressive to see how much power this subwoofer was handling. You could definitely tell during the demo you're going to see that he was actually trying not to cut up too high because he knows there's a lot of power at tap. And 4-channel amplifiers. I actually thought at first these were the amplifiers for the sub, but no, these are for all of his mids and highs all throughout. Really clear, crisp sound, screaming everywhere. You can hear it from every angle. So we're going to go and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the video. Pretty impressive.
We'll go low first.
Yeah?
I'm good.
Dude, for one sub in the trunk, man. You did a good job, though. Thanks for the demo.
Thanks, man.
Sounded good, man. The troublemaker, right?
Yep.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.